Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the first class brickwork particulars. Okay. In this class we discuss the how can we get the particulars number, dimension, then quantity. Okay. The first particular is first footing. Second one is second footing. Third one is plinth wall up to ground level. Fourth one is plinth wall above ground. So the first class brickwork in foundation and plinth part only calculate in this section. Okay, so the first class brickwork part, the lime concrete contain only cement and sand and aggregate. Okay, the first class first footing and second footing contain the first class brickwork. It means here the brickwork is constructed in first footing and second footing also. And plinth जो 40 centimeter wall, here the 40 centimeter wall provided, here also the first class brickwork is provided. So first of all we calculate this part or foundation part, then we going to the next part. So first is first footing. Okay, so here we know the length is constant 6 meter, then breadth for first footing is how much? 60 centimeter. Thickness of first footing is how much? 0.20 meter or 20 centimeter. Here the first footing is considered number, how many numbers? 1 number. Length is 6 meter, breadth is 0.6 meter, height is 0.20 meter. Okay, then the total quantity is how much? 6, 1 into 6 into 0.6 into 0.2. Then we get the quantity 0.72 meter cube. Okay, then we going to the second footing part. So first with here the length is constant 6 meter. The second footing breadth is how much? 50 centimeter. Right or wrong? 50 centimeter. Then thickness is how much? Second footing content 20 centimeter thickness. So the length is here 6 meter. Second footing breadth is 0.50 meter. Height is 0.20 meter. Got it? So the total quantity is how much? Particulars number is 1. 1 into 6 into 0.50 into 0.20. Then we get the quantity. How much? 0.60 meter cube. Okay. Then after that we going through the plinth wall up to ground level. What do you mean by plinth wall up to ground level? Here your 40 centimeter wall is provided. It is known as the plinth wall. Okay. It is known as the plinth wall. So is provided below the plinth level and from the ground level. But here the 40 centimeter wall continue below the ground level with 20 centimeter thick. Okay. So the plinth wall we consider from below the ground level. So below the ground level is length is same, constant 6 meter. Breadth is how much? 40 centimeter, because plinth wall breadth is 40 centimeter. Then below ground level how much thickness is contained? 20 centimeter below ground level. Okay. So plinth wall up to ground level is equal to 1. Length is 6 meter. Breadth is 0.40 meter. Height is 0.20 meter. Then the total quantity is how much? Particulars into length into breadth into height. Then we get the quantity is equal to how much? 1 into 6 into 0.4 into 0.2 is equal to 0.48 meter cube. Okay. Then after that we are going through the plinth wall part. Plinth wall above ground level. What do you mean by plinth wall above ground level? In plinth wall above ground level means ground level to plinth level distance which contain, it is the plinth wall. Okay. So here the breadth is 40 centimeter, height is 60 centimeter above ground level and length is how much? 6 meter. It is constant. So how many numbers of particulars? 1 number. The particular number 1. Length is 6 meter. Breadth is 0.40 meter. Height is 0.60 meter. Then the total quantity is how much? 1 into 6 into 0.4 into 0.6. Then we get the total quantity. How much? 1.44 meter cube. Okay. So So plinth wall up to ground level and plinth wall above ground level which contains same breadth. Okay, same breadth, same length. Only difference between them is what? It is the difference between thickness or height. Okay, then we are going to the next part. Or total value I have to calculate. Okay, the total first class brickwork is how much? First putting quantity is 0.72. Second putting quantity is 0.60. Then third putting quantity is 0.48. Then plinth wall above ground level quantity is 1.40, 1.44. Sorry, I told you third footing. It is not third footing. It is the plinth wall up to ground level. It is 0.48. Okay. Then after that, plinth wall above ground level 1.44 quantity. So total is 3.24 meter cube or cubic. Okay. Then we are going to the next part. What is the next part? 4 number is defined 2.5 centimeter damp proof course or DPC. CC 1:1.5:3. What do you mean by 1.5:3? CC means here in case of DPC it's used CC. It means cement concrete only. Okay. So here the composition is given 1 amount of cement, 1.5 amount of sand and 3 amount of aggregate is provided. Okay. So here thickness is specified. So no need to specify the thickness in the height or depth part. So we know the DPC unit is meter square. Here specified already the thickness in this question. So no need to mention in the height. Okay. Only length and breadth we consider in case of damp proof course. So here we know the length of wall is how much? 6 meter. The total length throughout the length the damp proof also provided. So length here is 6 meter. Then we go to the breadth part. So here the damp proof course provided above plinth level, right? So here the plinth level distance, through the plinth level width, the total damp proof course is provided. So here the plinth level width is how much? 40 centimeter. So the damp proof course or DPC width is same 40 centimeter. So here the length of DPC is equal to 6 meter and breadth is equal to 0.40 meter. It is equal to the plinth wall width. Okay. Then the quantity we define 1 into 6 into 4. Okay. 1 into 6 into 0.4. Then we get the quantity 2.4 square meter. We know DPC unit is square meter. Here we can show the thickness of the DPC already mentioned in the question. So no need to mention the thickness in height or depth. Okay. So then we go into the next part. 5th number, first class brickwork in lime mortar for superstructure. What do you mean by first class brickwork in lime mortar for superstructure? So we know superstructure is what? Superstructure is provided above plinth level or above DPC. Okay. So it is here clearly mentioned the superstructure part. Here breadth is 30 centimeter superstructure wall and height is 3.50 meter. We know the length of wall is how much? 6 meter for all conditions. Okay. So in case of superstructure, first class brickwork in lime mortar for superstructure, item number particulars number is how much? 1. Length is how much? 6 meter. Already discussed. Every first footing, second footing, cement concrete, plinth, DPC, we consider how much the length? 6 meter. So the first class brickwork is also 6 meter. Then the breadth is given is here 30 centimeter or 0.30 meter. Then height is how much? 3.50 meter. Okay. Then we get the quantity. How much? The number, length into breadth into height. Okay. 6 meter into 0.30 meter into 3.50 meter. Then we get the quantity 6.3 meter cube. we complete the total part of for excavation to first class brickwork part. Okay, then next class we discuss the plastering part. Okay, plastering, white washing and color washing. Thank you. Today time is over.